Yeah, you can press tampilkan. Yeah, okay. To make it full. Yes, please.
Hello, Miss and friends. My name is Jocelyn Yanto. Today, I want to tell you about my success story. What grade was I when joined Mandarin course? I was joined a Mandarin course in grade 2 of elementary school. I took my first Mandarin course at home, or what is usually called online course, because I had a lesson on Thursday and Thursday. So if I took an offline class, I won't be able to get there in the time and I might be late. At first, I was a bit nervous because I thought the teacher would test or ask me questions when I first entered, but it turned out not to be the case. But immediately started studying with quite a lot of friends too. In few years, there have been several books with different level that I have studied. Each level will be sent a report via personal WA to my parents, and I always got ranked 1 in my class. But suddenly everything changed when I was about to go up to grade 5. I didn't stop the course, but because the online teacher who usually taught me stopped the teaching because she was sick. So I was transferred to another class with the same level as the one I was studying. But I was transferred to an offline class, which means I have to come to the course place. So from the fifth grade until now, I have been going to the course place or taking offline class once a week. I have been taking this class for almost a year and I also feel comfortable. In this 1 year, there have been two levels that I studied. That's the level where I moved to this class and the new level. At the previous level, I also got rank 1 and got a certificate and prize. Until now, I am still taking Mandarin class there and I feel that my Mandarin have improved a lot from before I took Mandarin course here. There is two basic tips that I usually use. The number one is to rewrite Mandarin's letter and words or Hanzi and Pinyin that we have learned previously or that we find difficult. Because by writing it several times, it will become easier to remember the words. Before we move on the second tip, we should know that in Mandarin there is something called Pinyin, which means a system that spells names in words in Mandarin with the Latin alphabet based on their pronunciation, and there are also four tools used to differentiate the meaning of words because there are some words that have the same pronunciation or pinyin, but if we misread the tone, it will have a different meaning. So the second tip is if we want to memorize and be able to read fluently, rewrite the text or Mandarin's word with the correct tone and try to not see the pinyin. This is my photo with certificate and prize that I got. That's about my success stories that I can tell. Thank you, Miss and friends.
Okay, very good. Okay, thank you so much for your story. And I open for the Q&A sessions, yeah, Jocelyn, yeah. Okay, the first questions comes from Orlando. Okay, Orlando, please.
Hi, Jocelyn. I have the question. The question is, why you want to join Mandarin course?
Okay,
I
you
want
can.
to join to the Mandarin course because I like Mandarin and because I find it fun and because Mandarin is an international language that can be used when I was going abroad.
Okay, thank you so much. The second questions from Dondi, please.
Do you have any tips on learning Mandarin language?
Yeah, maybe do you have special tips, Jocelyn, for learning Mandarin so that your friends can be successful as you? Okay. Jocelyn?
I think we should try to speak Mandarin to be more fluent.
Practice Mandarin, speaking Mandarin to be more fluent, ya. Okay, thank you. The next will be Evelyn.
Hi, Jocelyn. My name is Evelyn. I want to ask why you like Mandarin.
I like Mandarin because I think it's fun and it's important.
Okay, it is important for. It is important for. It is important
For our future.
for our future and for the usage of communication, something, ya. Okay, Putra, please.
Hello, Jocelyn. My name is Putra. I have a question. When you study Mandarin, is it difficult or not?
Yeah,
At
Jocelyn.
first, I think it's difficult, but after I take the course, I think it's not difficult again.
Okay. After you learn Mandarin, there is no any difficulties, yeah? Okay. Next questions. Yeah, from Michelle Chihui, please. Okay, Michelle Chihui.
Hi, Jocelyn.
Yeah, Michelle Chihui. Continue.
When did you start learning Mandarin?
I start learning Mandarin at when I am grade 2 of elementary school.
Okay, thank you, Jocelyn.
Javelin, please. Okay, Javelin. After that, Evelyn, ya. Okay, Javelin. Yeah.
Jocelyn, my name is Javelin. I want to ask you that when you graduate, will you go to Chinese and go one of China's university?
Sorry, can you repeat it?
China, ya. Will you go to China, gitu ya?
When you graduate, will you go to China and go on one of China's university?
Nah, Javelin. Um, okay, Jocelyn. Let me rephrase, ya. So, Javelin asks, when you graduate from your Mandarin course, do you have a plan to go to China and continue your study in one of China's university?
Yes, I have plans to study there, Miss.
Oh, oke. Jangan sama Miss, sama Javelin tadi ya. Saya coba tadi Oke. Javelin, you want to ask more? Ada lagi question? Nah, because
No, Miss.
yeah, she is planning to go to China and continue her study. Will you take Mandarin too, or will you take another course?
No, Miss. I think I want to take Mandarin, Miss.
Oh, Mandarin ya. Oke. Thank you. Evelyn, please. Okay.
Jocelyn, when you speak Mandarin, did you speak many or a little only?
When I'm at the course place, I speak many Mandarin words, but if I at home, I not speak Mandarin.
Oh, you do not speak Mandarin, yeah? Oh, why? Why you do not speak Mandarin, Jocelyn? Why? Because you said we have to the tips for being successful in Mandarin, we have to practice more to be fluent, right? That's what you said. Why don't you practice talking Mandarin at home? Yeah, because
Because if I speak Mandarin at home, I sometimes have to think about what can I say in Mandarin, Miss.
oh, I see. Okay. All right. Now I have a questions. Your sister is also speaking Mandarin, right? So if you have any difficulties in doing your Mandarin homework, do you ever ask your your sister, or do you ever discuss with your sister?
No, Miss.
Oh yeah. Oh no. So you do it by yourself, yeah? Oh,
Yes, Miss.
okay. Which one is the hardest one? Uh, s- Learning the Hanse or the Pinyin?
Learning the Hanzi, Miss.
Why?
Because the Hanzi is many Hanzi words. If Pinyin is not too many, and Pinyin is a system to our to read only, Miss.
Oh,
So Pinyin is not too difficult, Miss.
because Pinyin use Latin word, yeah? Latin letter. Okay, 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 okay. All right. Is there any more questions, guys? You can ask Jocelyn for this presentation. Okay, no more. Thank you so much, Jocelyn. I hope your success story will be inspiring to others, so they can do their best and be confident to study Mandarin. Yeah. All right. Because Mandarin and English are the international language, so I think it's better for us to keep learning the languages. Okay. Thank you. You can close your screen. Okay, now we're having the next presentations from Giselle. Yeah. Oh, Jeffrey said learning all answer in the summary takes 1 hour and then I forgot again. Oh, yes. That's why you have to keep on practicing. Yeah. Okay. Uh, Giselle, are you ready, Giselle?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, Giselle is ready. Let me help you to open the PowerPoint. Yeah. Okay. Mana ini ya? PowerPoint. Hmm. Yeah, okay. Okay, I share. This is from Giselle. One, two, go. Okay, Giselle.
My success story. Next slide, Miss.
You have to introduce yourself. Hi,
Oh,
say hello. Yeah.
my introduce on next slide, Miss.
Okay, okay. Okay.
Hello, my name is Giselle. Let me tell my success story. My success story and my feeling. I participated in a poetry competition on August 17th at school. I took part in a poetry competition on August 17th at school. At that time, it was my turn for the poetry competition. I was very scared and worried. So when I performed, I tried to focus and my friends encouraged me. Then I start to recite my poetry. The announcement of the poetry winners came and I got the second place. I was very happy and grateful. Then my friend immediately approached me and said thank you to make our class better. Next slide, Miss. That's all about my success story. Thank you for watching my presentation.
Okay. Do you have the picture of your winning competition?
I just have the medal, Miss.
Oh, you just have the
Maybe
medal.
the photo, maybe I saved in where I forgot.
Oh, really? Okay. You can show to your friend if you have the medal besides you. Where's the medal? Is it
Let
beside
me
you?
take it first, Miss.
Okay,
Let me take
okay.
it first.
Yes, okay. So everybody, this is the success story of Giselle. She took part on the poetry competitions on August 17 at her school. Yeah, and luckily, yeah, she came as the second winner, the second place. Yeah, she won the second place. Yeah, and she was very happy, very grateful because uh, she can get the medal. Ya, dapat medali. Ya, nah, okay. Waiting for Giselle. Oh, this is the trophy. Ya, okay. Yeah, okay, everybody. So, okay, open the camera. Yeah, Giselle, open the camera. Yeah, she got trophy of the second winner. Yeah, of the poetry competition. How about Dondi? Dondi just now waktu kemarin kita lupa ya sharing untuk foto suksesnya si Dondi ya as the winner of storytelling competition at school. Dondi, you can get your please, you can get your trophy. Okay.
Maksudnya, Miss?
Trophy, you can show to your friend the trophy.
Wait, Miss.
Yes. Okay. Dondi also got the trophy ya. Okay, very good. Thank you. Okay. Nah, thank you so much, Giselle. The first questions comes from Javelin. Okay, Javelin, please.
What was the theme of your poetry?
What was the theme? Theme of your poetry? Theme, it means tema.
Kalau pakai Indo bisa kan, Miss?
Boleh, Indo apa bahasa Indonesianya? Your theme. The theme is about what? About Indonesian hero or what?
Pahlawan Indonesia gitu, Miss.
Oh, about the Indonesian heroes. Okay. Alright, that's the theme, yeah, about the Indonesian heroes, yeah. Okay, who is the hero? Who's the hero that you all of the heroes or only the female heroes?
Only female heroes, Miss.
Oh,
Kartini.
Kartini. Oh, I see. Okay, Orlando, please, second question. Orlando.
Well, my question is, why you want to do poetry competition?
Why do you want to join, ya? Lebih tepatnya itu join.
Because my teacher choose me to do the poetry competition.
Oke, to join, ya. Lebih tepatnya itu join. Oke. Because your teacher assign you, okay, to join the poetry competitions. Okay. Next questions. Ayo, raise your hand. Ya, Putra, please.
Michelle, can you make a poetry for us?
Can you write a poetry for us? Or do you have a poetry to demonstrate? Any other poetry or maybe the poetry that brought you to be a winner, yang sudah menjadikan kamu sebagai juara, mungkin ada, mungkin bisa dibacain gitu ya. It's okay, even though it is in bahasa, no problem. You can practice it. Okay. Do you have? Okay. Mungkin some other time ya. Nanti kamu cari dulu ya. Okay, Putra, you can just give another questions ya. And then go to Jocelyn, yes, for the questions ya.
Is writing poetry is your hobby?
Not really.
Okay, not really ya. So what makes you interesting to join the competition? That's my question.
Because I look maybe an artist
Hmm.
maybe doing poetry, so I maybe interest and I want to try out.
Okay. You have an interest, so you want to try out. Yeah. All right. Next question from Evelyn. Are you Evelyn? What's your question, Evelyn? Evelyn, are you Evelyn? Jocelyn already, Putra, Orlando, Don. Oh, Donny not yet, yeah.
Miss, I want to ask Miss.
Oh yes, please.
Hi Giselle, my name is Evelyn. Hi Giselle, my name is Evelyn. I want to ask how long did you make the what?
Poetry.
Yes, sporty.
Poetry. Okay.
And I think I search up on the Google and maybe on the book and I try to Miss B, bahasa Inggrisnya rangkum apa Miss?
Summarize.
Yeah, summarize it. Thank you.
Oh, okay. Next question from Dondi. Ayo Dondi. After this, prepare for Javelin, yeah? Okay. Dondi, what is your question?
My question is, wait,
My question is wait.
no miss, no miss. Does poetry is your side hobby?
Is writing poetry is your side hobby? Maksudnya gitu ya. Menulis puisi
I
itu.
think
I think.
15% no and 50% yes.
Oh yeah, so plus 50-50. Okay. What about if we give a challenge to okay, I have this poetry. Yeah, can you read this? Blur ya? I think it's blur ya. Okay. Let me help you to find out another poetry. Yeah, you can practice reading the poetry. Yeah. Okay. This is about. Nah, oke ya. Okay. This is English poetry. Nah, everybody, you can also practice this poetry. Oke. Sebentar ya, saya edit dulu. Oops. Okay. Nah, all right, guys. Please, Giselle, can you read this poetry? Okay, Giselle? Yeah, okay, Giselle, you can practice reading this poetry, please.
Miss, can you give me a moment?
Okay. Nah, all right, guys, this is the poetry. Ini to all of you, pay attention to the poetry. A life is a journey full of twists and turns, a roller coaster ride that often churns. It takes us places we've never been, a journey of discovery. Like nothing we have seen, life is a challenge. A test of our will it can be tough, but we must fulfill our dreams and aspiration. With courage and skill, we must push forward and never stand still. Life is a gift. Life is a gift to be cherished each day, a precious jewel that never fades away. We must make the most of every moment, come what may, and live our lives to the fullest every single day. Oke, mungkin ada dulu yang lain, misalnya mungkin Dondi ya, please saya Dondi. Oke, Dondi. Oh, Putra. Ayo, Putra, challenge. I challenge you. Oke. Evelyn.
I can't, Miss. I
Oh,
can't.
ya. Oke, Putra, please. You can?
Oh, Miss, I can. I can.
You cannot? Oh, really?
Cannot, Miss.
Oh, come on. You just read it. Okay, Evelyn. Okay, give a chance to Evelyn, please.
Life is a journey full of twists and turns, a roller coaster ride that often turns. It takes us to places we have never been, a journey of discovery. Like nothing we have seen, life is a challenge, a test of our will. It can be taught, but we must fulfill our dreams and aspirations. With courage and skill, we must push forward and never stand still. Life is a gift to be cherished each day, a precious jewel that never fades away. We must take the most of every moment, come what may, and live our lives to the fullest every single day.
Yeah. Okay, Giselle, please.
Miss, I think I forgot how to read poetry, but let me try it first.
Yes. Okay.
Life is a journey full of, what is that, Miss? Full of twists and turns, a roller coaster ride that often turns. It takes us to places we've never been, a journey of discovery. Like nothing we've seen, life is a challenge, a test of our will. It can be tough, but we must fulfill our dreams and aspirations. With courage and skill, we must push forward and never stand still. Life is a gift to be cherished each day, a precious jewel that we never fades away. We must make the most of every moment, come what may, and live our lives to the fullest every single day.
Yeah, okay. So this is the example of poetry, yeah? Okay. So next presentation will be Jefflyn. Jefflyn, are you ready?
Maybe.
Okay, go ahead. Come on, Jefflyn. You can share your screen.
Which one? There's many.
Sorry, excuse me. Do you have
Which one?
your
There's
your
many.
your PowerPoint? Do you prepare for the PowerPoint?
Yes.
Okay. You want to share it now, please? No problem. Silakan, Jeff. Please share it. Okay, so thank you for Giselle and Jocelyn. Yeah, you have done your best. Yeah, you have did a good job for the presentations. Yeah. Now this is the first trial, so later you have to do the other trial. Ya, mungkin yang pertama you are not confident, ya, a little bit confused, ya, but you did a good job. Okay, I will comment to the PowerPoint. Mungkin nanti for Evelyn, for Jocelyn and Giselle, you can make the PowerPoint more attractive, ya. Jadi jangan terlalu banyak tulisan, ya. Kalian boleh menyajikan dengan poin-poinnya saja, seperti yang contoh Miss berikan itu. Nah, nanti the next year di tahun baru nanti Miss akan challenge ya kalian lagi to do a presentations dan nanti PowerPoint-nya itu cukup dengan yang poin-poin saja seperti contoh yang Miss berikan. Oke. Ya, Jefflyn, you can share your screen atau Miss mau bantuin sharing screen?
Help me.
Oke, I will help you. Tapi karena waktu kita 4 menit, we